A box within a box. Bag within a box. Within a box. Where did I put that? Epic collection. Marvel's Conan the Barbarian. It's the 4th volume of this, I think. It's Year of the Black Coast. Lots of John Buscema. Some of the best Conan the Barbarian that Marvel put out should be in this, if memory serves me well. Cool. Got some of the industry for Savage Sword in here as well, by the look of things. I'll do a wee flick through of that later on. Oh, there you go. Saga of the Swamp Thing. The full groundbreaking run in one place. So it's a black label slipcase with all the paperbacks, I believe. I had hoped this would be a hardbacks when they originally announced it, but it's paperbacks. Can you argue with that? Pretty decent price that I got it for in the pre-order anyway, so let's have a look. Do have all the original run of Swamp Thing. I wanted to have a nice handy pick it up and read it collection. Don't seem to be recoloured. The result, yeah, original colouring. Nice. Cool. Right. That's 6 volumes. So it's pretty much the same as the original paperbacks that they released years ago. Happy with that. This is close to the original. Yeah, happy about that. It's close to the original newsprint comic look as you can get. Nice. If you enjoyed watching me unbox a couple of books, please like this video and please consider also subscribing to the channel, because we do more than just unboxes. We talk about movies here, myself and Statistical Zero, every Thursday night. or nearly every Thursday night we'll talk about movies, and we'll start with the movies, and occasionally I get guests on and we talk about comics. So yeah, please subscribe. Thanks for watching us. If you made it to the end, I'll give you a thumbs up.